Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage time of requests as an admin on the Connecteam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the admin button down below on the right side of the screen. Then scroll down and click on manage time off, which is the second option. Here you can find the time of requests. As you tap on pending, you can see the request of your employee. You can see the user, the policy, the date and time, total time requested, and the additional note. You can approve this request or decline it, and you can also attach an additional note to it as a response, but it is completely up to you. Tap on approve or decline, and as you can see, there's no pending time of request. As you click on history, you will be able to find the request, and you can find the on time of today section here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.